In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money internationally. There are many apps out there that you can use. However, in this video, we'll be using Remitly, which is very cheap and fast. You can download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. If you use my referral link in the description of this video to sign up, when you send $100 or more, you receive $10 off. Now, in order to sign up with the app, you need to provide two things: your email address and a password, and that's literally all you need, right? And you'll be asked to select the country that you want to send money to. Now, once you're logged in the app, you can always change the country that you're sending to by clicking at the top of the screen. So to get started, select the send button in the app, specify how much money you are sending. Now the country you're sending from will be decided at sign up as well. Then you select your delivery method. Depending on the country you're sending to, you have different delivery methods available. Now debit card deposit is instant and it has a fee of $1.99, bank deposit $3.99 and cash pickup $3.99. So I'll be using the debit card deposit. Then select your payment method. I'll be using a debit card and then select continue. Here, enter the debit card number of the recipient if that's the method you selected. Then on this page, you'll be required to enter your payment method or select your payment method. I already have a debit card on file, so I'm going to select that option. And then here all I need to do is select send money. However, because my recipient information is on file already, I don't need to enter the recipient details. So when you're sending money, you can look out to provide the address of the recipient, even a phone number, and that's just about it. So that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like and leave a comment.